Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Syahmi. Today I will give a talk about one of popular topic which is global warming. The reason why I preach this topic because it is something that happen around us and we also have experienced it but still we turn a blind eye toward it. As you can see, the familiar cases that happen in Morocco is one of the effect of global warming that keep happen around the world. One another reason why I discuss this topic is to give awareness to all Malaysians of how critical of this phenomenon nowadays. Global warming is a phenomenon of climate change characterized by a general increase in average temperatures of the earth, which modify the weather balance and ecosystem for a long time. It is directly linked to the increase of greenhouse gases in our atmosphere, worsening the greenhouse effect. These two are examples of greenhouse gases. How these gases are created or where are they come from? It is caused by human activity, primarily the burning of fossil fuel that pump up carbon dioxide, CO2, methane and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, resulting global warming, the greater heating of Earth's surface, ocean and the atmosphere. The exploitation of forests has a major role in climate change. Trees help regulate the climate by absorbing CO2 from the atmosphere. When they are cut down, this positive effect is lost and the carbon stored in the trees is released into the atmosphere. Waste management methods like landfill and incineration emit greenhouse and toxic gases, including methane that are released into the atmosphere, soil and waterways, contributing to the increase of the greenhouse effect. Another cause of global warming is intensive farming, not only with the ever-increasing livestock, but also with the plant protection product and fertilizer. In fact, cattle and sheep produce a large amount of methane when digesting their food, while fertilizer produce nitrous oxide emission. Next, we move to the effect of this global warming. Did you guys did you guys think the rising in temperature is the only effect of global warming? There are many effects following this phenomenon like accelerated sea level rise and ocean acidification. This caused many small islands sink because of sea level rising. Moreover, climate change is a change in the usual weather found in a place. We can take an example of Malaysia. Like in the past year, we take a short afternoon walk to the restaurant seemed enough to fry our brains. Some say outdoor temperature have hit a wilting 40 degrees Celsius, but next month there is a heavy rain which caused flood to our place. Lastly is shifting wildlife population. Let's take an example, a polar bear that live at the Arctic. When the temperature is rising at Arctic, the glacier or ice will keep melting and habitat of polar bear will lost since their land are melting following with sea level that keep rising. This is one of collected data from the research following the past year. One of the most immediate and obvious consequences of global warming is the increase in temperature around the world. The average global temperature has increased by about 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit over the past 100 years, according to National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Since record keeping began in 1895, the hottest year on record worldwide was 2016, according to NOAA and NASA data. That year, Earth's data That year, Earth's surface temperature was 2.78 degrees Fahrenheit, warmer than the average across the entire 20th century. Before 2016, 2015 was the warmest year on record globally. In fact, all 10 of the warmest year on record have occurred since 2005. Lastly, is there any solution we can do? There are many solutions like this, but for us, we can choose and apply which solution we can do according to our ability. First is energy and water efficiency. Producing clean energy is essential, but reducing our consumption of energy and water by using more efficient devices like LED light bulb, innovative shower system is less costly and equally important. Next is sustainable transportation. Promoting public transportation, carpooling, but also electric and hydrogen mobility can definitely help reduce carbon dioxide emission and thus fight global warming. Moreover, there are also sustainable agriculture and forest management like adopting responsible consumption habit, which is crucial, be it regarding food, clothing, cosmetic or cleaning product. Last but not least, recycling is an absolute necessity for dealing with waste, encouraging better use of natural resource, stopping massive deforestation as well as making agriculture greener and more efficient should also be our priority. Okay, this is the end of our topic. Thank you for lending me your ears and I hope the understanding regarding this topic can be applied in our life, thus reducing this global warming phenomenon. Thank you.